Looking at the left side of the diagram here, I can see that L equals 3W. Do you see that? There's 3 widths that fit exactly into 1 length. And looking at the bottom of the diagram, I can see that we have a W on the left and an L, or 3W, to the right of that. So the total length of this shape is 4W, and the height is L, or 3W. So in the end of the day, we have a 4W by 3W rectangle, and multiplying those together, I get an area of 12W squared. Now, we're told that 12W squared is 4,800, so that means that W squared is 400, and then W is 20. Now, what's the question asking for? It wants to know the width of each of the small rectangles. In other words, it's asking for W, but we already found W. It was 20. So let's go with answer choice B and move on to the next one. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.